Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Proper Daily Greens Boost, a greens powder marketed as a nutrient-packed blend for energy, digestion, and immunity. We tested it daily to see whether it's a worthwhile addiction or just another overpriced superfood trend. This greens powder contains a mix of leafy greens, probiotics, and antioxidants. We found the taste to be relatively smooth compared to other bitter greens powders, making it easy to mix with water or smoothies. After using it consistently, digestion felt more regular, energy was steady, and we noticed fewer afternoon slumps. It didn't replace fruits and vegetables, but it worked as a convenient nutritional safety net on busy days. The pros are improved digestion from probiotics, a cleaner taste than most greens powders, and real convenience for daily wellness. The cons are that it's expensive compared to eating whole foods. The benefits are subtle rather than dramatic, and it requires consistency to notice changes. Overall, Proper Daily Greens Boost is a legit supplement that supports daily health. It's not magic, but it's one of the better tasting and more balanced greens powder we've tested. It's worth it if you value convenience and consistency. This has been How to Learn Cooking Smart and Simple and Scam Free.